So I'm packing my bag. I'm not going to class until later this afternoon because the weather is so dreadful. But I got my new supplies. I got some Earl Grey tea and I got some instant coffee so that when I'm working on campus I have some pick-me-ups. Now, something that I have been using to help me with my productivity is this app. This is not sponsored at all, by the way. I don't have nearly enough subscribers or views to get sponsored. But anyway, oh, not that one. This application, AppLock, I've been using it for a while, and you can basically set when and from which days and what time you want to block certain apps. You can also choose which apps. So I blocked the ones that I find myself drifting off to every now and then. If you actually try to open one of the applications, oh, blocked till 12. So there we have it. I have some mochi right there, and I have some miso soup, Ritsumeikan. I know it doesn't look that appetizing, but it's quite healthy. It's super windy here today on campus, so I hope you can hear me somewhat. I only have 2 classes today, but I need to work through my exam. I also need to edit my vlog and try and get that up if I can. And tonight I'm seeing a friend of mine to go and have some beer, so you know, I have to feel motivated so I can enjoy that later on. Okay, so I have about 20 minutes before my lecture starts, so I'm just gonna have some coffee or a cup of tea and read a bit. Hey, so I just finished at the library. I wrote my letters to my family and I got quite a bit of work done. I'm now walking towards the station from campus. I'm going to meet up with a friend at Shinjuku. We're actually meeting up at the Brussels Beer Project, which is a Belgian beer cafe. So really excited to try some Belgian beers. I hope the audio is not horrible because it is still quite windy. It's actually not that warm today, which turns out fine for me. But yeah, I'll check in with you later. Okay, so I'm actually cooking really early today because my boyfriend is here in Tokyo. He has a meeting here today later on in the afternoon. So I'm preparing noodle fun for lunch, which takes a bit of time, so I start from the morning. My first weekly vlog is being uploaded on YouTube right now. It is currently after 9 in the morning. Whilst that is uploading, I'm gonna go for a quick run. I didn't sleep that well because I stayed up past my bedtime. I'm such a granny. But I stayed up a bit too late last night, and I know I just have a bit of brain fog, so I hope my run will sort that out. Back from running, nice and sweaty. It's actually a really good run. The weather wasn't as hot. I got in quite a decent run. So yeah, pretty happy with that. I don't know why, but ever since the marathon I haven't run like such a long distance. I'm gonna build it up again, but I think it was end of April that I ran my first marathon, and just after that, I don't know, I just had kind of a daegu. I was just so fed up with it for a while, and yeah, I afterwards just focused on running faster rather than on running long, like endurance running. But I'm now gonna start building it up again, focusing both on endurance and on just trying to get to a slightly higher tempo because I want to be able to run the next marathon, the Yokohama Marathon, which I signed up for, which is on the 10th of November. I still have a lot of time, but anyway, I ran the one in April. I ran in, here's my finishing sheet, I ran in, it's in Japanese, but anyway, you get the gist of it. So I took 5 hours and 9 minutes and 43 seconds to finish my first one, and I want to be able to finish the next one in 4 hours and a half, at least under 5 hours. That's my main goal. So that's my training plan. But as it is getting much hotter, and I'm turning redder and redder. Oh God. But as it's getting hotter, I'm probably gonna work out more in the gym again, because it's just running in 32-34 degrees is not really something that I'm made for. Anyway, I am going to do the laundry, wash my clothes, wash myself, and I really have to get reading, start revising, and I have a class at Waseda University afternoon, so I also need to do reading for that. So this is my lunch. I'm having the leftover lurofang, which is a Taiwanese dish, and I also have some vegetables. They're called komatsuna in Japanese, but I have no idea what it is in English, so maybe I'll look it up and put it down below. This is oolong tea I got from Taiwan. It's really good. It's got some caffeine, so I just boiled some water and I'm just gonna add it to it. Now, because this is loose leaf tea, now as you can see, this is loose leaf tea, so I have to put it in a bag and then add it to the just boiled water. Tea bags. This one you can buy in, I got this one from the Hyakuen shop, from the 100 yen store. Open it on one side, you just add the tea. On this side, a slightly longer flap, which you just have to fold over, and voila. Good afternoon. It's now just after 2 p.m. and I'm on my way to campus, to the Tokyo University campus. So I just go there for this one class. I'm a free student there. So it's a class on environmental law, which I'm also very interested in and that I might also use for my thesis. So yeah, it's really nice, very exciting, very interesting. And I get to basically study a second university. As a free student, of course, I don't get the official credits, which makes sense because I'm not paying for the course. It's the professor who gives the course. I met up with him to ask him some questions before the start of this course, and because he knew a lot about my topic that I was interested in, and then I thanked him afterwards in email, and he let me know that, oh, by the way, I'm giving a course on environmental law in English, Tokyo University. Do you want to, if you want, you can come and audit my classes. To which I said, yeah. make my lunch for today as well. Rice with some meat and vegetables. Emayashi. Right, and we are ready to go. So I'm gonna head to the library, then I can have lunch on campus, and oh, I need to return a book to the library. Can't forget that. Maybe go to the gym afterwards. I have my gym clothes with me. I have my extremely bulky rucksack here, full of stuff. Oh, I made a little parcel for my family. So I need to go to the post office and send that. Actually, I need to do that first, so I can take that off my list. Okay. See you in a bit.